everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and if you're watching here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. So today we are making Matar Paneer, for which I need to heat some oil in a pan, so that's what we are doing. Then I'm adding some cardamom, garlic and ginger, and then I go in with chopped onions, and then I will also saute this for some time and then go in with the tomatoes. And then once the chopped tomatoes are added, you saute this for a little longer. I'm adding 2 slit green chillies at this stage. You can avoid them if you don't want it spicy, but I like it spicy, so I go in with that. And then once it is sauteed a bit more, I will then go ahead with some cashew nuts. I've added all the ingredients in the description box for you so you can have a look. Once the mixture cools down, we just grind it with some yogurt. Then moving on to our paneer, I've soaked it in warm water to prevent it from getting rubbery. Then in a pan, I'm adding some ghee again, a cinnamon stick and a bay leaf. Just crush the bay leaf so that the flavors are released. And then I'm going in with some cumin at this stage, and then we go in with all the powdered spices: chili powder, there's turmeric powder, there's coriander powder, garam masala. I've added all the ingredients for you in the description box as always, so they are all there and you can find them there. Make sure to fry these powdered spices on a low flame so that they do not burn. And then we go in with our masala that we had blended together, the mixture of the tomato, onions and the cashew nuts. So we add that in and then cook it for some time. The color will change and get a bit darker. At this stage we will add our green peas. And then once you add the green peas, you can add water. I've just added water to the jar we blended the mixture in and then added it. I'm adding another slit green chili at this stage to enhance the flavor. You can avoid this if you don't want the green chili. Then cover and let the gravy thicken. Once the gravy thickens enough, then we will add a paneer to the mixture. So just add your pieces of paneer to it and then give it about 5-10 minutes and then it's ready. You just garnish it with coriander and some fresh cream, and there you are, your Matar Paneer is ready. Matar Paneer can be served with rice, bread, naan, whatever you like it with really. And there you go. I've added some kasuri methi as well, and I put some for garnish on the top as well. You can dish it up in a nice dish if you like, and that's what I've done here. And then again garnished it with some coriander and some double cream. Just put it on the top to garnish it. And I've served it with some rice, and we had some shrimp, so fried shrimp, and it's all ready. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Bye.